Hey, Big Sky guys, just wanted to personally thank you for the great service provided.
We just had our boiler replaced by Big Sky, and every person I worked with was absolutely wonderful. Thank you for making an unpleasant situation pleasant.
We will definitely be using your company for our plumbing needs from now on. Thanks for your quick response and excellent service.
With over 25 years of serving the Helena area, we're dedicated to not only ensure that your job is done in a timely manner, but unlike those other guys, the job is done right the first time.